Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Teacher Tidbits. I'm Lady Long and I'm excited to show you guys this awesome sensory bin activity. Go ahead and hit the subscribe as well as thumbs up and let's get into it. Here's what you need to get started. Rice, Ziploc bags, rubbing alcohol, food coloring, confetti sprinkles, pencil erasers, and glitter, which is totally optional. First thing you're going to do is pour your rice into your baggies, and I have about a cup of rice in each bag. I have 4 different baggies because I'm going to be making 4 different colors. And you can see here that I'm only putting in 1 to 2 drops of food coloring because I'm really going for more of a pastel color look. And after you have your food coloring, you want to add 1 capful of rubbing alcohol. You don't want to put too much because you want to make sure that it dries out without leaving the alcohol smell. And you guys can see that 1 to 2 drops of food coloring really goes a long way. Make sure you add your alcohol because that's going to make the food color really adhere to the rice. Now this next step is completely optional, but if you want to add a little shimmer and shine to your unicorn rice, go ahead and add the glitter now directly into your individual baggies. I do want to note that adding glitter will add a little bit of mess, so when your children are playing with the unicorn rice, they will have glitter on their hands. Next, you want to set your rice aside and go ahead and grab those erasers. Now, I found these colored individual pencils erasers for like 90 cents. And I'm going to take a pen and draw some lines, some curves on them to make them resemble unicorn horns. So here's the finished results. I was afraid that they came out looking more like zebra stripes than unicorn horns, but it's okay. You don't have to be the best artist. We're going to be placing these erasers in the rice later on to be used as a sorting activity. Next, I want to show you guys that I've just bought some generic rainbow sprinkles, confetti sprinkles from my local supermarket, and this is really going to add an extra boost of color to our unicorn rice. So here is everything with all the components together. I love how this sensory bin really turned out, and you see that I've placed the unicorn horns on top of the color that matches. I didn't have any green rice, so I went ahead and I added some extra plain rice and the sprinkles, and I could not be more happier with how it turned out. For the sensory play itself, I have provided these little candy scoopers that I've gotten a while ago from Party City. And with this activity, I'm gonna go ahead and push the unicorn horns into the rice so that they're covered and can't be seen in plain sight. Now I'm doing this because when I introduce the unicorn rice to my girls, they're going to have to search and find all of the unicorn horns. I'm going to provide them with bowls as well as pinchers, and you guys can use anything that you love. You guys know by now I love my chip clips. Now we have everything we need to get started in the fun. As soon as I placed this sensory bin down, my girls absolutely loved it. You can see my 3-year-old here using the chip clip as a pincher, and she's scooping up rice and finding the unicorn horns. I gave the candy scooper to my 18-month-old because it's much easier for her to handle. She's still learning how to grip and how to pinch. And so all they're doing is finding the unicorn horns and placing them in the bowl. After we found all of the unicorn horns, we're going to go ahead and incorporate different counting activities. So we're sorting, we're going over colors, we're counting, and they had so much fun taking them out and placing them back in, searching and finding. My girls are really into hide and seek, so this was something that they absolutely loved. Not to mention that it kept them excited, it kept them engaged, it kept them quiet and calm for 45 minutes. And so this is after some time has passed now that all the rice is completely mixed in, and I'm even getting in on some of the fun. I wanted to show you guys how easy these chip clips are to use as pinchers and even as scoopers. So there you have it, you guys. This was my unicorn rice to really liven up your sensory bins. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos for sensory bin ideas, go ahead and leave a comment down below in the comment section. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification icon so that you never miss any of our preschool ideas. This is Teacher Tidbits. Happy learning!